Your Pi coins just became 100 times more valuable, and here's why. Yesterday, Pi Network launched AI app creation and staking features that are already generating massive demand. While everyone was sleeping, early adopters started building apps without coding and staking Pi for insane returns. This isn't hype. This is happening right now. I'm about to show you the exact features that went live, why developers are calling this the biggest blockchain breakthrough of 2025, and how you can start profiting today. Follow my Telegram and Facebook links in the description for exclusive strategies. If you're a Pi holder feeling defeated, this changes everything. Before we dive into these explosive updates, smash that like button if you're ready to see Pi Network's biggest breakthrough yet, and subscribe with notifications on, because this is the kind of Pi Network coverage that separates real pioneers from the quitters. Let me tell you what just happened that has the entire crypto world talking. Pi Network just launched Pi App Studio, an AI-powered platform that allows anyone to create Pi apps without coding knowledge. This isn't just another update. This is a complete paradigm shift that could unleash thousands of new applications into the Pi ecosystem overnight. Think about what this means for a second. Remember how everyone said Pi Network lacked real-world utility and applications? Well, that argument just got completely destroyed. With AI-powered no-code development, any pioneer can now build functional apps that integrate with Pi's mainnet blockchain. We're talking about removing the biggest barrier to ecosystem growth, the need for technical programming skills. But here's what makes this absolutely revolutionary. While other blockchains require you to learn complex programming languages like Solidity, Pi Network just made app development as simple as having an idea and letting AI help you build it. This could trigger an explosion of creativity and innovation that we've never seen before in the Pi ecosystem. And the timing couldn't be more perfect. Dr. Altcoin, one of the most respected voices in the Pi community, just posted on Twitter asking what type of app people would be interested in using, specifically mentioning the new AI support for developers. This shows that serious developers are already planning to leverage this technology. But wait, it gets even better. The second announcement is potentially even more game-changing. Pi Network introduced Ecosystem Directory Staking, a revolutionary system that allows pioneers and businesses to stake Pi tokens to boost app rankings in the Pi browser directory. This completely eliminates traditional advertising models and puts the power directly in the hands of the community. Here's why this is absolutely brilliant. Instead of apps paying for advertising or relying on mysterious algorithms, the more users stake on an application, the more visibility it gains in the directory, reversing the classic logic of centralized platforms. This means the best apps will naturally rise to the top based on actual community support, not marketing budgets. But here's the kicker that most people are missing. This creates real demand for Pi tokens. Every time someone wants to promote an app or support their favorite application, they need to stake Pi coins. This is the utility and demand driver that Pi Network has needed all along. We're finally seeing real tokenomics in action. The beauty of this system is that it's completely decentralized and democratic. Pioneers have complete control over rankings within the ecosystem, ensuring quality exposure for developers while giving users the power to decide which apps deserve attention. Now here's where things get really interesting, and this is why you need to pay close attention. Despite these major rollouts being exactly what the Pi community has been asking for, the market reaction has been mixed, with some unexpected price movements. But here's what the short-term traders are missing. We're witnessing the foundation being laid for massive long-term growth. These aren't just features, they're the building blocks of a complete Web3 ecosystem. The combination of AI-powered app development and community-driven app promotion creates a self-sustaining cycle. More apps mean more utility means more demand for Pi tokens, and more demand means higher value for everyone holding Pi. Dr. Altcoin's recent Twitter activity is particularly telling. He's asking whether anyone has applied for Pi Network Ventures funding and whether they've received confirmation from the Pi core team. This suggests there's serious developer interest in building on Pi Network, especially with these new tools making development more accessible than ever. Remember, Pi Network's $100 million Ventures Fund is specifically designed to shift Pi from a mined asset to a widely used cryptocurrency by funding apps and services that use Pi daily. Now with AI app development tools, that vision is becoming reality faster than anyone expected. So what does all this mean for you as a Pi pioneer? First, if you've been losing faith, today's announcements should restore your confidence that Pi Network is actually building something substantial. These aren't just promises anymore, they're real, functional tools that are available right now. Second, the combination of easy app development and community-driven promotion means we could see explosive ecosystem growth in the coming months. Smart pioneers should be paying attention to which apps are launching and consider strategic staking to support projects they believe in. Third, this validates Pi Network's long-term vision of creating a user-friendly blockchain ecosystem. While other projects focus on complex DeFi protocols that only crypto experts can understand, Pi is building tools that any regular person can use and benefit from. For those asking whether it's too late to get involved with Pi, today's announcements suggest we're still in the early stages of what Pi Network is building. The real utility phase is just beginning. Pi 2 Day 2025 will be remembered as the day Pi Network stopped being just a mining app and started becoming a real blockchain ecosystem. The launch of AI-powered app development and community-driven app promotion represents a fundamental shift that could change everything we thought we knew about Pi's potential. If this analysis opened your eyes to what's really happening with Pi Network, smash that like button and let me know in the comments. Are you excited about building an app with the new AI tools, or are you planning to stake Pi on promising applications? Your fellow pioneers want to hear your strategy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell because I'll be covering every major Pi Network development as they happen. Follow my Telegram and Facebook pages linked in the description for exclusive updates and real-time alerts when new apps launch in the ecosystem. The Pi revolution is just getting started, and today proved that patient pioneers who held through the doubt and uncertainty are about to be rewarded. Stay strong, stay informed, and remember, we're building the future of Web3, one Pi at a time.